Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by composing the text you use repeatedly in Outlook messages. Select the exact text or image block you want to save. Press Alt plus F3 to open the Create New Building Block dialog quickly. Give the entry a short, memorable name and choose Quick Parts as the gallery. Optionally add a category and description for easier searching later. Click OK to save the entry into normal email. Dot them in your user templates folder. To use a saved quick part, place the cursor where content should appear in the message. Open the Insert tab and select Quick Parts from the text group. Choose your saved entry from the gallery list to insert it immediately. Alternatively, type the exact entry name and press F3 to expand the quick part automatically. Use the gallery for preview and right-click options to edit or delete entries when needed for faster message composition. To edit or remove entries, open the Insert tab, then Quick Parts, and choose Building Blocks Organizer. Select an entry to rename, edit properties, or delete it permanently from normal email. Dot them. To move or share Quick Parts, close Outlook and copy normal email. Dot them from %appdata, %Microsoft \templates to another profile. Use categories and clear names to keep many entries searchable and maintainable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.